What's up, y'all? So I was talking to one of my nutrition coaching clients. He was talking about the foods he had to avoid. We think about food in terms of macros. And that means that we might be missing out on some nutrients, because when you're thinking about food in terms of macros, you're missing out on a whole bunch of nutrients. Take, for example, sweet potatoes. My dude was missing out on sweet potatoes because they felt like it was carbs. So to help you out, think about food in terms of food groups, and you have 5 of them. You have your fruits, you have your veggies, you have your grains, you have your dairy and protein sources. As long as you get your food from those 5 groups daily, you should be good. So easy peasy, don't think about food in terms of macros, think about food in terms of food groups, so you don't miss out on some important nutrients that you need to stay fit. And if you have any questions after you figure this out, DM and we can help you make a nutrition plan based on your lifestyle. One that matches everything you need and you're not skipping out on nutrients. Alrighty? If you have any questions, then again, go to our YouTube channel and we're gonna have more on this topic. Alright? Enjoy.